Good morning, viewers at home. You are on to Mathematics with Dr. OJ. In this video, we shall look at some tutorial questions on logarithm without table. Kindly click on the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. The first example is simplify the following. Log 81 base 3, log 1 over 9 base 3, log 25 base 125. So how do we solve this? Now, log 81 base 3. Remember, the definition of logarithm is the logarithm of a number. In our earlier video, we said that logarithm of a number to a particular base is the power to which that base is raised to get the number. So we can say let log 81 base 3 be equal to x. Let's assume that the value of this particular logarithm is x. So we now cross multiply. You should note, in cross multiplication in logarithm, the style of multiplication in logarithm is different from the normal cross multiplication that we are familiar with. So in this case, we want to cross multiply. It will be what? 3 the base raised to power the integer x is equal to 81. Okay? Now, having done that, 3 raised to power x is equal to 81. So what we now need to do is to find a multiple of 3 in 81. That is, when we say a multiple, how many times are we going to get 3 in 81? Trying to find the LCM of 3. How many 3s will you get in 81? So you could do that in your rough, paper. I say 3 in 81, 3 in 8, that's 2. 3 times 2, 6, remaining 2. In 21, 7. Again, 3 in 27, that's 9. 3 in 9, that's 3. 3 in 3, that's 1. So how many 3 do we have here? 3 raised to power 4. We have 4 3. So we have 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 4. Yes. So since according to our knowledge of indices, 3 is common as integers in the two equation in the two sides of the equation. 3 here, we cancel 3 here. So our x is equal to 4. That implies that what? That implies log 81 base 3 is equal to 4. That's all. Now the second one, the second question, log 1 over 9 base 3 is equal to, let the x as well. You can use any other variable, any other unknown. So 3 raised per x, 3 raised per x, that is 3 times x is 3 raised per x, is equal to 1 all over 9. Okay, now if you look at 1 over 9, 1 over 9 has something in common to 3. But before that could be solved, we could re-express this 1 over 9 as an index number. So we can have 3 raised per x is equals to, according to the law of indices, 1 over 9 will be what? 9 raised per minus 1. Yes. Can you still remember? So which implies 3 raised per x to be equal to what? 3 raised per 2, because we are looking for the multiple of 3 in 9 raised per minus 1. So you can still remember your knowledge of indices. So we have what? 3 raised per what? 3 raised per x is equals to 3. Then multiply your 2 here by minus 1 here. That's minus 2. Okay? You have to be careful. You are multiplying, not subtracting. Since 3 is also common, 3 cancels 3 here. So your x is what? X is equals to minus 2. So that means the value of log 1 over 9 base 3 is equals to minus 2. Now to do this, the third one. To do the third one, log 25 base 1 over 125. So see, log 25 base 125. Use the same method. Let log 25 base 125 equals to what? You can use y, you can use anything. Let's use y now. Use y. So 125 raised to power y is equals to 25. Okay? 125 raised to power y is equals to what? 25. Now, something is common to 125 and 25, and that is 5. So 5 can go in 125, 5 can go in 25. Okay? So, 5 in 25, we are going to have 2 5 in 25. So, and we can, if we use the knowledge of our LCM like I did the other time, 5 in 12, 2. 5 times 2 is 10, remaining 2. In 25, 5. 5 in 25, 5. 5 in 5, that's 1. So we have 3 5s in 125. So we have 5 raised per 3, because there are 3 5s in 125. So that is 5 times 5 times 5.
raised power what? Raised power y is equal to 5 raised power 2.
So we expand
The bracket, we have 5 raised power 3 times y, that's 3y. We multiply the powers, is equal to what? 5 raised power what? 2. 5 is common, 5 cancel 5 here.
So if 5 cancels 5 there,
what are we left with? We are left with what? As our powers,
we are left with what? 3y is equal to 2. So how do we get y? We divide both sides by 3.
so y what? Y equals to 2 all over 3.
Okay? So let's look at another example. Still under logarithm without table.
Logarithm without table. That's the example 2. Example 2. Evaluate without tables, without using tables. Evaluate without using tables. 3 log 2 plus log 20 minus log 16 all over 10.
How do we go about this?
Now, you observe that there is no what?
There is no base here. We are not given any base. No base is not given. So how do we now go about it? So we don't need to bother ourselves. We can assume that the base that is common to them is base 10. So we don't need to bother ourselves. So what we need to do, we write this one
as log 2 raised power what? 3, okay, plus log what? Plus 20 minus log 16 all over 10.
Okay, log 2 raised power what? 2 raised power 3 minus log 20 minus that. So in that case,
we have what? We have log 8 plus log 20 minus log what? Log 16 all over what? All over 10.
Mind you, we said base 10. Log to base 10 is a common is a what? Is a common
logarithm base.
So if you like now, you can introduce the boys in your court. You can say log
8 base 10, plus log 20 base 10 minus log 16 over 10 base 10. Why? Because we know base 10 is common, so it's a common logarithm. So now pick log of base 10, 8. Don't forget the first basic law. Addition sign will change to multiplication sign. Multiply by what? 20. Then minus here will be what? Divided by 16 all over 10. So in that case, we have what? Log base 10 of what? This is 160 all over 16 all over 10. So which will give us log base 10 of what? 160 all over 1. You divide this one, this one will now be multiplied by 10 all over 16. By the time you divide 16 over 10, it will be inverse of that. So 16 here 1, 16 here 10. So you have what? Log what? 10 times 10 is as 100 base 10.
And what is log 100 base 10? So you can now say let
log 100 base 10 be equals to x. As we do it the other time, now what? 10 raised power x is equals to 100, which implies 10 raised power x is equals to how many 10 do you have in 100? That's 2. 10 cancels 10, so your x is equals to 2.
So in that case, the value of that given problem is 2. So don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It is free. And at the same time, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. God bless you.